Hey friends, so like the figurines trend, on the internet is now famous, and every person is trying to generate figurine style images and videos also. So today in this video, I will show you that how you can generate figurine style images and videos using Nano Banana, Google Gemini tool, and also how you can convert that image into video using Kling AI. So first of all, you can go to gemini.google.com and make sure like the new try image editing with our best image model Nano Banana. So you have to enable it. Now upload the image from here, like upload files, and select the file that you want. Like I want this image. And now here you have to type the prompt, and the prompt is to generate figurine style trend image. You need to type this like ultra realistic product mockup in collectible figurine style. Show uploaded photo as a large detailed figurine on a transparent circular stand resting on an open palm from the front, and camera slightly angled to capture the full scene, and keep a product box on the desk with the same subject printed, and text should be like Omer, and background should be monitor with 3D modeling software, and showing the subject in design or wireframe, light gray wall, and cinematic lighting, and also photorealistic viral mockup style. So you can type this, prompt ultra realistic product mockup in collectible figurine style and uploaded photo, and everything is here. And now just press enter and wait for a few seconds, and the Nano Banana Google Gemini will generate incredible thing for you that you actually are thinking to generate. Wow, incredible. You can see here, see? The ultra-realistic product mockup in collectible figurine style, yes. Show the uploaded photo as a large detailed figurine on a transparent circular stand, yes, it is showing. Resting on an open palm, yes, from the front, and the camera slightly angled, yes, and product box on the desk, yes, with the same subject printed also, yes, and the text also. And the background monitor you can see with 3D modeling software showing the subject in design or wireframe, and light gray wall, and also cinematic lighting. Perfect. So we can download the full size image here. So once you have downloaded the image, now you can go to klingai.com/global and just sign up. Sign up process is very easy. Click on try it now, and once you upload the image, so it will ask you to sign in through Google, or you can sign up using your email. So you will have to type your email name, and once you get the code, verify code on the email address, and after successfully verification, then you will be able to use Kling AI Global. So once you are here, you can click on the video new option, and here you can click or drop or paste. Now the image that we generated, we will upload here, and you can sign in with email. So email is like this, and password is. So I can sign in the klingai.com. Definitely you will first register yourself using Google account, or you can also use your email. So once you are signed in, you can see here You can go to video, image to video, and it is uploading the video, sorry, image. So once the image is uploaded, now here you can type the prompt, and prompt we need like cinematic animation of a collectible figurine placed on a transparent circular stand resting on a human palm, and the figurine and packaging box remain completely static without any movement. Only the human hand shows subtle and natural motion, such as small shifts and breathing like tremors, also, and lifelike skin flexing to create the illusion of realism. Smooth and realistic hand movement, ultra realistic cinematic product mock-up style. And once you completed this, now you can click on generate and make sure the image is uploaded, and it will take a few minutes. It can take a few minutes, just because it will generate, and sometimes it goes to the queue. So you can see it is in the process section. It is processing. It is in the processing mode, sorry, and it is generating, and it can take few minutes. Now it's showing like estimated waiting time 1 minute. So as soon as it completes, I will show you the video. See, incredible. And see, now you can see cinematic animation of a collectible figurine placed. You can see transparent circular, and also like human palm it's moving, you can see. So how easy we can generate figurine style image with video using Nano Banana and Kling AI. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, because they can also learn this thing and they can implement these techniques, these strategies, and these instructions to generate figurine style trending images and videos. Thank you so much once again. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.